Anthropology compares human societies across the globe and across time. We compare present and past forms of government or legal and religious belief system. For example, we compare social structures like family dynamics and study transnational corporations. He is the father of applied anthropology. One of the most important and influential anthropologists, Franz Boas, was a pioneer in applied research methods and practices. Franz Boas was born 1858 and died in 1942. He contributed many practices and studies.
What is the origin of anthropology? Anthropology is from the New Latin word anthropologia, which means study of humanity, and shares its ultimate root in Greek anthropos, which means human being, with a number of other words in English such as anthropomorphize, philanthropy, and misanthropy. What are the proponents and contribution of anthropology? An anthropologist focuses on the study of human societies and human nature. Some of the famous anthropologists who contributed in understanding the modern concept of anthropology are Franz Boas, Ruth Benedict, Ralph Linton, Margaret Mead, etc. An anthropologist focuses on the study of human societies and human nature.
Franz Boas. Franz Boas, one of his most significant contributions to physical anthropology was his study of changes in body forms among children of immigrants in New York. He published changes in bodily forms of descendants of immigrants in 1912. Next is Ruth Benedict. Ruth Benedict was a pioneering anthropologist who became American leading specialist in the field, best known for her patterns of culture theory. Her books by the name of revolutionized anthropological study, igniting the work of culture and personality movements within anthropology. Next is Ralph Linton. Ralph Linton, as an undergraduate at Swarthmore College, Philadelphia, Linton pursued archaeological interests, taking part in expeditions to New Mexico, Colorado, and Guatemala, 1912 and 1913. Following his graduation in 1915, he examined a prehistoric site in New Jersey, the subject of his first professional writings. Last is Margaret Mead. Mead's famous theory of imprinting found that children learn by the watching of adult behavior. A decade later, Mead qualified the nature versus nature stances somewhat in male-female behavior. That was in 1949, in which she analyzed the way in which motherhood serves to reinforce male and female roles in all society.
There are three types of anthropology. The first one is sociocultural anthropology. Sociocultural anthropology interpret the content of particular cultures, explain the variation among cultures, and study processes of culture change and social transformation. U.C. Davis, a sociocultural anthropologist, conduct research on most areas of world, focusing on topics that include human ecology, gender relation, culture ideology, culture and ideology, demography and family system, race, class and gender inequality, resistance movement, colonialism, neocolonialism and development, and cultural politics in the West. The second one is biological anthropology. Biological anthropology study a variety of aspects of human evolutionary biology. Some examine fossils and apply their observation to understanding evolution. Others compares morphological and biochemical genetic and physiological adaptation of human livings to their environments, still observe behavior of human and non-human primates like monkey and apes to understand the roots of human behavior.
Archaeology. Archaeologists study the material remains of present and past cultural system to understand the technical, social, and political organization of those systems and the larger cultural evolutionary process that stand behind them. The UC Davis program in archaeology emphasizes research in California and the Great Basin, but also supports the study of hunter-gatherer system in general, and is engaged in such research in Australia, Alaska, Peru, Greenland, Western Europe, North and South America, and Northern Asia. Why is anthropology important? Anthropology provides a possibility to study every aspect of human existence. It is the window into the unknown. Anthropology provides the answer to our questions about ourselves, our past, present, and future. Anthropology helps to connect everyone from around the globe.